Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn about how to revert back git commits. We'll talk about two different options. One is reset and second is revert, and which one to use in which scenario. For better understanding, we'll take shopping cart example. So I'm going to buy apple and orange and ice cream and chocolate. So first I will add apple and orange to the basket. So this will be my first commit. Second commit will be to add ice cream, and third one to add chocolate. Now later I will realize that maybe apple orange good, but ice cream and chocolate is not good for me. So how to revert back these changes? Now let's perform the data setup part. So here I'm going to initiate git init to create the git repository, and then here I will add one file. So I will call it apple and orange because I want these two fruit as a part of my first commit. Now I'll check git status to see if I'm getting two files or not. So apple and orange are here. I will git add it and then I will commit it that fruits I'm adding to the basket. So fruit added to the basket, done. Now let's see the status, and everything is clean on this master branch. Now I'll add ice cream to this basket. So I added one file, that is ice cream, and let's go back to the terminal and we can see git status. We can see one new file, that is ice cream. So here I will add it. So git add dot then git commit, and we'll give the message ice cream added to the basket. Now let's go back and check the status. Again it will be clean, and now final commit we are going to add chocolate. So I'll go back and see the git status, and here I can see chocolate file has been added. So let me add git add dot, and then again I will commit it. So git commit -m, then chocolate added to the basket. Enter. Let's clear the screen, or we can check the status here. Now let's look into the log. So git log one line. Here I can see I have three commit. Initial commit where I'm adding fruits, then ice cream, then chocolate. Now let's understand when to use reset and when to use revert. So if changes are already committed to remote repository, then we need to use revert so that people can see the revert changes. If changes are in my local, then I can use reset. Now let's revert back the changes. So first I'm going to revert back chocolate. So I copy the commit ID, then git revert and commit ID, enter. Here I have to provide the git commit message. So I will scroll down and here I will give delete chocolate. Then I will save this file. Then I will close it. I will again see the log. So git log one line, and we can see one more commit here on to revert the chocolate, as well as in the file we can see chocolate file is not there, it has been deleted. Now we wanted to revert back ice cream. So git revert and commit ID. Again I have to provide the commit message here, and I will say delete ice cream, and I will save these changes and quit the editor. Now again I will see the logs, and I can see ice cream has been reverted back, as well as from the folder ice cream file is missing. So this way we can revert back the changes. Now let's see how to reset the change. Focus on the git log. So if I will do the reset to the initial commit, and again I will check the log, then you can see only one log I can see here. Then files are there, but if I'll check the status, it's like there are 2 untracked files. So if I'll remove ice cream and chocolate file, it will be same as the initial state when we had added only apple and orange. I'll check git status, it's like that only. So now let's check the git log again, and only one commit is there. So thanks for watching.